Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Thursday, March 8th. I'm going to do my nightly video on gold. So yesterday I mentioned in my videos, daily candles, we have consecutive, from this reversal candle, consecutive higher lows and higher highs. And what I wanted to see is continued to form higher highs and higher lows on consecutive candles. And last night's video I said if what bears want to do is break the low of today, and they did that. They managed to break the low of today of 1323. And so look for continuation tomorrow. How I would play gold is if you see a break of 1319.6, then I would continue to play it bearish. If somehow bulls do show up and they break above the high of 13.29.8, then I would look for a little bit of upside there. And looking at the 4-hour chart, from the high here, clearly changing the trend again. So high, low, lower high, lower lows. We have inside candle, an inside doji here, high and low within the previous ranges, high and low. And so far this 4-hour candle is another inside candle. We'll see how that works out. If we get a bull break, we could get some upside, and it would look really nice to open up above this high on an inside doji candle 4-hour bull break. If we could open up above 1329.8. Looking at the hourly, very similar here. We are breaking to lower highs and lower lows, lower high, lower high, lower high. And so the support to watch tonight is going to be this low here of 1319.60. Resistance is going to be at 1327.50. We have two candles there with the top at 1327.50 if you're just using the hourly chart. We do have an inside candle. It is currently breaking bear. If it does break bear by the close on increasing bear volume and then breaks below the low of 1319.60, that's going to show me some weakness in gold overnight still. So I'm going to be watching the 1-hour and the 4-hour candles currently on gold. This is a lot to do with the US dollar bounce today. So this wedge is tightening here. It's been tightening. So we'll see what happens if this pattern plays out. We'll see if the US dollar goes back to up here and then pulls back again, and we get a tightening wedge and see what happens. That's going to take some time to follow through. But the bounce in gold today definitely, the US dollar definitely had a negative effect on oil and gold, as often those two commodities trade inverse to the US dollar longer term. Looking at miners did have a little bit of a stronger close than gold did. A doji on senior miners on the day. So if I'm playing senior miners, you want to see a break of today's high on that doji of 21.7 to show me that that indecision is going in the favor of bulls. Same thing. Let me see what GDXJ's close looked like. GDXJ's close was somewhat of a hammer here, and so same thing. If you want to see that this is a true reversal on the daily and it breaks above, and it's able to break above the high today of 31.88. So 31.88 is where you want it to break for a bullish play on the senior miners. And did it break the bell bottom? Low was at 31.49. Low at, yeah. So it did break to a lower low on the daily. So we had higher lows and higher highs, and it did break that support. So we'll see if bulls show up off this reversal candle and they're able to break the high today of 31.88. The 5-minute chart. We did close near the highs of the day, so that does give potential for a follow-through bounce into tomorrow, depending on what gold does. Looking at JNUG, what we were playing. JNUG, same thing. We did close near the highs of the day, so we'll see if there's any follow-through tomorrow. Definitely have some work to do hourly. So hourly here, we're getting tighter and tighter here, and ideally want to break of 1342. confirmation of some continuation tomorrow would be the break of the pre-market high of 1345 for a JNOT. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.